Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and essential tutorial on how to set up firewalls for Xfinity gateways in 2025. If you're concerned about protecting your home network from cyber threats, you're in the right place. With the growing number of connected devices, a strong firewall is your first line of defense against hackers and unwanted access. Today, we'll walk through the setup process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. First off, let's cover the basics. A firewall is like a digital gatekeeper that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. For Xfinity gateways, which are popular routers from Comcast, the built-in firewall features have been updated in 2025 to include better threat detection and easier customization, helping you stay secure in an increasingly digital world. To get started, make sure you're connected to your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and enter the gateway's IP address, typically 10.0.0.1 or 192.168.0.1. You'll be prompted to log in. Use the default admin credentials if you haven't changed them, but seriously, change your password right away for better security. Once logged in, head to the Security or Firewall section in the Settings menu. Here, you'll find options to enable the firewall. Turn it on and explore the advanced settings, like creating rules for specific applications. For instance, if you're a gamer, you might need to allow certain ports, but always double-check to avoid exposing your network. After configuring your settings, save the changes and restart your gateway if needed. Test everything by using online tools to scan for vulnerabilities or trying to access your network from another device. Remember, keeping your gateway's firmware updated is crucial for the latest security patches. In conclusion, setting up a firewall on your Xfinity gateway is a smart move to safeguard your data in 2025. It's quick, effective, and can be done in under 10 minutes. If you run into any issues, check Xfinity's support site or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips to keep your digital life secure.